Building a pool in Florida usually starts as a dream, but an open backyard quickly turns into a daily chore. Leaves pile up on the water, insects swarm the deck, and cleaning becomes a continuous requirement. For this homeowner, spending an evening outside meant battling mosquitoes instead of relaxing by the water. The property is surrounded by dense, mature trees that shed debris constantly, providing an ideal breeding ground for the heavy local insect population. Sweeping the patio and skimming the water every afternoon is exhausting. To actually use the space, the homeowners required a permanent structural barrier, rather than a temporary canopy or an extra day of pool service. They brought in Screen Factory Florida to develop a highly engineered blueprint for a custom enclosure. An expensive backyard oasis provides absolutely zero value if nature constantly dictates when and how you can actually swim in it. This diagram shows the top-down layout of the enclosure, calculated to withstand strict Florida wind loads. At the bottom, the structure's base relies on a 12 by 12-inch concrete footing, reinforced with continuous steel rebar to lock the heavy frame firmly to the earth. To accommodate the massive footprint, the crew expanded the deck, laying over 400 square feet of fresh pavers for a clean, flush surface. Tying a heavy aluminum cage into an existing home requires precise integration. The enclosure must attach flawlessly to the home's roofline without compromising the original structural integrity or introducing leaks. A heavy-duty 7-inch super gutter is mounted directly to the host structure. This component catches and diverts thousands of gallons of heavy Florida rainwater away from the deck area during summer storms. The actual longevity of this structure is invisible. It relies entirely on the strength of the below-ground footers and the unseen water management systems overhead. Once the foundation sets, the aluminum skeleton goes up, and the open yard begins to take the shape of an actual room. Homeowners selected a dark bronze finish. The color visually recedes against the bright Florida sky, creating a sharp contrast with the home's tan stucco. This infographic outlines the structural color options, directly contrasting the chosen dark bronze against the standard white finish. The upper frame features a mansard roof geometry. Angling the sides inward before flattening at the top maximizes clearance and creates a breathable atmosphere. This image highlights the reinforced anchor technology and high-tension support cables bolted into the concrete, ensuring the vertical walls resist high wind pressure. This graphic displays 4 different screen mesh types. Choosing between a standard density or a tighter no-seam mesh allows the homeowner to directly target their localized insect problem. Every material selected, from the tension of the cables to the specific weave of the mesh, acts as a highly engineered defense mechanism against the elements. The completed exterior commands the backyard, wrapping the entire pool area in a rigid protective shell. The lower front wall utilizes a picture view design. By eliminating the vertical support beams across a wide span, the screen panels offer a clear view straight out to the water. The heavy-duty mesh seals the perimeter entirely, keeping out debris and insects while preserving a direct visual connection to the natural landscape outside. The client noted that the clear view lower panels and the receding bronze frame turned the pool from a weekend chore into a daily retreat. At night, the dark yard is replaced by a brightly lit, fully enclosed outdoor living room, completely safe from evening pests. Proper engineering acts as a reliable filter. It blocks out harsh conditions, allowing you to enjoy the best parts of the outdoors in total comfort. Screen Factory Florida guarantees this level of quality with a BBB accreditation, a 4.8 Google rating, and a 365-day warranty on all installations. You can schedule a free estimate and 3D design consultation today. Flexible financing options are available at the link and phone number below. Reclaiming your backyard is highly achievable. It begins with a single professional engineering plan.